Hi, I'm Chef Steve Konopelski, and I'm the Corporate Pastry Chef here at Itaberco. One of my primary responsibilities is to serve you in all of your dessert endeavors. I look forward to working with you on cost-saving, time-saving, or aggravation-saving methods. You might be wondering, who am I? Well, I'm originally from Canada, and in my previous life, I was a Broadway performer, but enough about that. I decided to retire from performing and enroll in the French Culinary Institute, where I graduated top of my class. After graduation, I worked in some notable New York City restaurants, as well as restaurants and hotels on Long Island, where I was also the assistant to James Beard award-winning pastry chef Claudia Fleming. After assisting Claudia, I decided to branch out on my own and open my own hospitality enterprise, which included a bed and breakfast, a catering facility, a couture wedding cake design business, wholesale, and a standalone bakery. Also, during that time, I was a Food Network champion. That's right. You might recognize me from my 4 Food Network appearances, including season 1 of Haunted Gingerbread Showdown. Spoiler alert! Available on Discovery Plus and Hulu. All that experience will really assist me in helping you. I want you to consider me as an extension of your team.